How to change the voice speed in ElevenLabs. Want to make your ElevenLabs voice talk faster or slower? Let's do it. First, go to www.elevenlabs.io. Remember, no mobile app yet. This works only in the browser. Log in or sign up, then head to the speech synthesis or text to speech section. Now, type your text, then look for the voice settings. Here is where it gets fun. If you have access to voice settings, you will see a slider or option for voice speed or stability and similarity. Not seeing it, it may only be in projects or with a paid plan. Increase or decrease the speed as you want by dragging the slider. Now, hit generate and listen to the new speed. Want it even faster or slower? Just adjust and try again. And that's how you change the speeds in ElevenLabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.